Refer to the figure below. So meron tayong right triangle. How do I know na it's a right triangle? Because of this marking. And then, this is our theta angle. And then the sides are 3, 5. Now, maybe some of you will write this is 4. That is actually wrong. Alright? Because again, our 3 to 5 right triangle, yung 5 yung hypotenuse. So in this example, yung ating shorter legs are 3 and 5. Ang hypotenuse is actually unknown. So to solve that, we're going to make use of the Pythagorean theorem. So meron kang 5 squared, add mo lang yung dalawa, plus 3 squared. This gives you 34, right? Then again, kunin mo yung square root. Ang 34, hindi siya perfect square number. Wala rin siyang factor na perfect square. So we'll remain that one as 34 root. And then, we are asked which of the following is true. So remember your trig ratios. Meron kang so, katawa, cho, shaka, right? So meron kang so, ka, towa, and then cho, sha, cow. Etong tatlo, they are just the inverse of the main trig ratios na so, ka, towa. So dito, cosine theta daw, yung cosine theta, adjacent over hypotenuse. Ang ating hypotenuse again is root 34. So ito, mali na yan. Hindi yun totoo. And then again, yung ating tangent theta. Tangent is opposite adjacent. Opposite adjacent. 5 over 3. This is 3 over 5. Mali yan. Cosecant theta. Ano yung cosecant theta? Theta. There is hypotenuse over opposite. Hypotenuse over opposite. That is letter C. Yung D naman, bakit siya mali? Kasi nga, sine theta, opposite 5. Hypotenuse is root 34. Ang dito is 4. Wala namang 4 dyan, di ba? So this is actually wrong. So again, the correct answer is letter C. Cosecant theta is equal to root 34 over 3. Follow for more.